So chewing all the things we're saying that we were telling people to do about eating the green vegetables and the sprouts and the arugula and the nuts, the enhancement of their longevity, promoting and anti-cancer benefits, and their heart benefits are proportional to how well you chew and how much saliva you mix with the food and how much you break them down. So even today, I was eating lunch with my mother. Told her to come over for lunch to make a salad. And I'm still thinking, I got to chew better. A lot of good stuff in here. I got the sprouts in here. I got to chew better and I get like done with the salad. I'm halfway through the salad and I'm saying, I could have chewed that better. I'm going to really focus on the second half of the salad, chewing it, really liquefying it better. I could do a better job. You could always do a better job on how well you chew things, because then you get more nutrients and you get more production of beneficial compounds in the mouth that are produced in the mouth from the activity of the nutrients with the teeth and the bacteria in the gums, between the teeth and the gums.
Yeah, that's where you really have to be mindful about it, where it's so fun to focus on one of these things a day to make sure that we're doing it and doing these healthy things. Because for me, I'm like slower. And it just helps being mindful, because we live in such a fast-paced world. So many times I just feel like I eat way too fast.
Yeah, it's good to go over the basics we're doing today. Just go over these basic things, even though we talk about them at time, because people need to hear it again and again to get it into their body. So to get it into their mind, so it becomes second nature. And we need to get it to hear it again and again too. Because even I could be not chewing, could be thinking of things and not chewing well enough.
Let me tell you, I've heard it 33 years. I still can do things. Yeah. So my whole life.
So when you chew better, you not only form more nitric oxide and vasodilation and anti-inflammatory effects, but you also produce more endothelial growth factor. We shouldn't eat till we're full, because that's going to impair digestion. You just eat till you're satisfied. But if you don't chew things well, you don't digest as well, and people get inflamed guts, and they get reflux, and they get irritation, and they get bloating, and they get gas, and because they don't chew well enough, because the endothelial growth factor helps build back the strength of the lining of the digestive tract and the integrity to the wall of your digestive tract. Because you lose the epithelial lining of the digestive tract. You lose cells every 3 to 6 days. The cells are digested. So we're all eating some meat. We're digesting some of the meat of our own body, our own cells, and those cells have to grow back and be replaced. Just like the hairs. When this hair falls out, new hairs grow in.
Right.
So, but the fastest growing cells are the cells in your digestive tract. And what supports the growth of those cells is saliva. And so if you don't chew your food well enough, you're not getting the health benefits of your diet.
Right. You want to keep that gut healthy.
And the American diet, when you're eating like scrambled eggs and, chopped meat and burgers and pizza and burger buns, they don't have to chew. You could just shovel it all down.
Well, it's already processed for you.
Yeah, you have to. You don't even have to chew it. Just suck it right in, through a straw. Drink a milkshake through a straw, whatever it is they're doing. But when you're eating a salad and nuts and these whole grain and seeds, you got to chew.
I always tell people, I love working for my food. I love peeling an orange. I love getting what's inside. I love whacking a pomegranate. I love working for my food. Yeah. Cool. I think there's something innate within all of us that likes, picking it off a tree. And
I love picking it off a tree.
Yeah.
Today I picked 2 navel oranges off a tree outside.
Yeah.
And I had oranges in my refrigerator that I bought at the farmer's market, but I wanted the ones that I picked from my own tree.
Yeah.
And I'm sharing the bananas I grew in my own banana orchard.
Yeah, they're very good.
Yeah, I'm sharing
them
because it's like, wow, this is phenomenal. I grew it's something like so emotionally satisfying to grow some of your own food. Even the sprouts I made today that I put on my salad, I grew them in my kitchen.
Yeah.
There's something emotionally satisfying. I can afford to buy food at the farmer's market, but I feel some emotionally something better about it when I made it or grew it myself.
Yeah, your dried bananas that you've been drying are really good, I have to say.
Great. Yeah.
Props.